Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today is form validation. JavaScript form validation is used to enter some validations in your form. You have learned how to create form using HTML, but we have not learned about validation. The validations in your form are possible with the help of JavaScript. Now, consider you have seen certain forms online where you try to fill the information. Sometimes it says @ should be there in your email ID. Sometimes it says the password. You have seen your password is weak. There should be a character in your password. If in the number section you are trying to write the text, it doesn't work. It says that you should enter number value only. So all these things in forms are possible using JavaScript form validation. Now let's take the example. We are going to validate the name and password. The name shouldn't be empty and the password can't be less than 6 characters. There should be 6 characters at least. And we get this validation once we click on the submit button. This is the code for the program. Then we have done the JavaScript number validation also. I'll go to Sublime and show you. So what is done? First, in the script tag, we have declared our function called function validate form. This validate form here is the unique function name which I have given. You can give any name. Then we are declaring the name. So in name, what we have declared, variable name document.myform.name.value. This is used to declare your value, and same is for the password. You're declaring your variables. Now we are using if condition. In if, what we do is, if name is equal to null, we have given equal to 2 times. Null means no value, or these 2 bars are used to define, or name the equal to blank. So if you're not entering anything, the alert will come. You display alert with the keyword alert and you write what message you want to display. We have written name can't be blank, and then we return false. Then we write else if. You can write another if condition, or you can write else if. Now password dot length less than 6. If your password length is less than 6, then you are going to give the alert password name must be at least 6 characters long, and then you return the false. Now here we have created in the body the form which we have already learned in the past classes. You have given the name to your form, method you have specified, and now here is the main part. On submit, once you click on the submit button, it should return validate form. You're calling your function on submit. Once you submit, you want your function to get called. Now the name, password and the input type submit. We have learned this while creating the forms. Now let's try to see the output of how it works. Now here is the name category. I'll just not write name. I'll put the password. First, let me not write name and submit it. It says name can't be blank. Now, if password I write for 3 letters, it says, okay, for the password, let me give first the name. Okay, password must be at least 6 characters long. So this is how you can give alert. You can specify the alert according to your requirement in your form. You can create the conditions accordingly to whatever you want to do in your form. Maybe it for the number, maybe it for the date, maybe it for the email. You can create the function accordingly. I've also given the one example for the number. For the number validation, you can try to execute this. It is going to work in the same format. Hope function is clear and how the validation is done using function. Thank you so much.